Hello, good day everyone. Today we are in this French all-you-can-eat restaurant. It's called Monsieur at the north of France. It's very close to Metz or Thionville, but actually it is called Monsieur, and it's the middle, in the town in France. These are the food, and you can see there are so many options and a lot of decorations in this restaurant. There are some soup as well, and these are the food. You can see there are so many seafood. They have some cold ones and the one which like the hot one and the cold one. And on the other side we can see there are a lot of sushi, sashimi, and a lot of different sushi with kimchi and streams. On this side you can pick up some food for the chef to cook. So these sessions, you just have to pick up the food you like and then give them to the chef. And then on this side you can see there are lots of ham and cheese. And dessert, a lot of different cakes. This side they have some salad, and here is the cold seafood section. So they have oyster, lobsters, different kinds of dessert. Every session there are a lot of food, like decoration at the top. The ice cream machine, and this is the chocolate fountain session with some fruit. The decoration of the restaurant is very nice. It's very much like very Asian. And this is like the Japanese word. There are some statues. And it's it's even written some attractions in Japan, in Tokyo. The restaurant was like full and super crowded. All the weekend they have a lot of options. Suzu! Thank you for watching I Wondering YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.